Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to open TikTok on mute. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Few things are more embarrassing than opening TikTok in a quiet setting only for some inappropriate audio clip to start blaring out. But unbeknownst to many users, the app has a built-in setting to prevent that from happening. Autoplaying videos have been the norm across social media for some time now, and TikTok's entire model relies on them. It's a surefire way to grab viewers' attention while they aimlessly scroll their feeds. So how to do it? In this video, I will show you how to do it. So I will show you first. When I'm opening my TikTok, you can hear the song is playing. And what if you want to automatically mute the audio when you first opening TikTok? So you can tap on your profile, tap on the up right corner, the three lines over here, tap on settings and privacy. You can scroll down on content and display section. There is an option playback. You can tap on that and you'll see option or settings, open TikTok on mute. Videos will be mute by default when you open TikTok. Tap to unmute videos or use your device volume control. You can just tap on that. And I will reopen my TikTok. And let's open the TikTok again. Now, here, you can't hear the audio from these videos on TikTok. So that is how to mute TikTok when you open the app. But if you want to unmute the audio you want to hear, you just can adjust your volume like this so you can hear the sound. So that is how to mute TikTok when you opened. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.